Hello Earth, welcome to episode 34 of season 3 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go check out github.com/autocodenow/cell. Link will be in the description. So, where are we? Yes. No. Yes. So, we're trying to make things work here. After writing everything, I had a bit of an existential crisis with Cell, and perhaps life itself, so I should have probably just started working instead of thinking too much about it. But anyway, at least we're here. So, this is a nice symmetry we have going here. So, we're making the test work here. This is the walking. I honestly just need the definition path here ready. So the value path, the problem is that the value path is jumping over equals, right? Yeah, right? Yeah, the value path is jumping over equals. That's a bit of a problem, right? How would that work? Because I really need the... It's jumping over equals because it's a reference that is solved. It's telling me where it is. Yeah, I think this is the message is the value path. Yeah, I just need a way to clean it up here when I pass it. The message, I mean. The thing is, I need to jump over equals for the message, right? There might not be a path to the message because the message is going to be... I'll have to jump over equals basically to clear references either in if or in do, right? Yeah, because I'm calling that an if or do. So that logic wasn't so unnecessary after all. I'm talking about this logic. Yeah. I still don't get it. Why can't I pass a path to the message there? I would just look it up. There's supposed to be an equal there, right? And the way to do this is just to run the test, and when it breaks, we just see it in front of us, right? So you have a value path. Honestly, I'm not sure if I need to jump over equals for... Do I need to jump over equals for the message to a call? I don't think so. If I just want to pass, or even this one, look, this definition path, it's also jumping over equals. It won't do. It's not going to be there because I'm missing the equals. Why am I jumping over equals at all? I'm missing the value path. Here I'm just gonna do something like this. I mean, this is completely wrong. I just want to see it break. I'm really lost. This is easily the worst session I've had in a very long time. These are all parsing, right? Yeah, I went into this tangent because put has to be a native call. I had almost forgotten. So the getting no, man, I'm just completely lost. Let's start here. Let's just hold on by the data. No, it's not even this one, sorry. This one. Ref full. This can only be solved in the data space. This can only be defined in the data space. So I expect this thing to become this. Okay, this is a reference. I might as well. I need to understand what the old code was doing. I cannot just rewrite it like that, unfortunately. I think if I do this, yeah. So native, these ones I can comment, I think. Yeah, I need to do this. This is the message, not the message path. Yeah. I also screwed up a cell call, right? No, cell call no, cell do, sorry. So message path, it's the message. Oh, I really did break everything. Did I not? Ah, that one. No, not yet. This one I was fine. This one was fine, I think. I know, silly, because this context path, this prefix has a do, right? Prefix. No, it should be correct. This one, I want to keep these ones. They are elegant. Call message. Yeah, the extra argument shouldn't harm anything. This definitely should be there. Now it should work. Yes, okay. Now we have it. we could actually write a few tests, right? Let's get with dots. I need to do multiple things here. Can I use dashes instead? Here I would do something like I have to get with dots. Put these ones I will skip. Put with context path. I need to change the paradigm, otherwise I'm not going to go anywhere. I need to be working with the data, and then if that's not sweet, return if type sweet is a string, don't do anything. Okay, that's good. What was the name of this album? Yes. So this album will be all enough to vote. Okay, so where were we? Yeah. I could just do I'm putting I need to set full. Yeah, did I do the multiput in the end? No, I didn't, because I wasn't convinced about it. Yeah, now I'm having a second doubt again. What was the reason I didn't want to do multiput? Yeah, now I feel silly not to have it. So yeah, because I have no way to nest things, right? don't understand the issue here. What's wrong here? It's a perfectly valid thing, right? Maybe it's because I need to reset things. Or wipe. If I wipe, nope. Oh yes. It's about the dashes. No. Okay, that works. That works. Wait, that's it. Why does it have undefined there? A style. Nothing is making sense today. Yeah. 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 What the fuck is going on here? I guess I don't need these quotes, but shouldn't be an issue, right? You're kidding me. What's wrong with these quotes? Oh, this is bad. Yeah, just find the parsing issue. Aha. I see. So it doesn't like if I would put a space here. There will be no problem. Okay, we have a parsing issue. Okay, but at least we found it. Honestly, I don't understand how I found it. But we're quoting texts that do not need to be quoted. Generates weird results. Dun, 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 ba-da-ba-bum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Yeah, this sucks. This completely sucks to do all of this. Refu is add foo. I refuse to work with this API. It's just too. We need a call name reset. It wipes everything and then just sets things. So wipe. What does it take? Cell wipe takes a prefix. So wipe and it just takes a. It just do add wipe. Maybe it's okay. Maybe we need multi-put. Okay, how would I do multi-put? I mean, what I would like to do really is do a single put here that does this. Yeah, put without a. Yeah, that's what I want. Did this work? Can I do that? Interesting. Ah, yeah, I had made the path optional. Did I do that before? Put V? Oh, yeah. I'm an idiot. I just rediscovered my APIs. Oof. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I'm in a terrible mood. I have to apologize to my currently. Oh, I think someone maybe watches the videos, but I need to apologize to whatever entity is sharing this moment through the video. Okay. And then when I do add, I'm expecting yeah. What am I doing? Yeah. I'm I'm expecting foo 10 is quite beautiful, if I might say so myself. It's exactly the same thing, is it not? Ah, sorry. Of course not. Actually, let's do this, right? Actually, this is more explicit to see everything. So, okay, what's the next test? I need to work with a test like this. There's no other way, I think. And if I update foo, that's a very good test. Actually, I need to assert the arrows, okay, right? And do it a few times, right? Yeah, because I messed up. This is a lot of puts where I don't do the okay, so I'm just out of practice here. And you know what? If there's no if there's new tests, if where's the tag? There. So I need to put things like wipe. That's even better. So you omit the stuff that you don't need. So you wipe everything. Okay, this time to get better. Actually, because I'm focusing on the data. Honestly, this should be dashes. Like, who cares that it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't update? Interesting. How did I break it so badly? I'm pretty sure this test was working before. Definitely working before. Not only was it working before, it's still working. Otherwise I wouldn't get to this point, right? Or not? Your mind organized by Nazis. Yeah, this test is passing right now. Yeah. Take a test. This is working, right? Look at that. It didn't. That's why I forgot the ad. Silly. Forever with you, forever without you, ever without you. Yes, this works. Take out test. Take out test. It would be that overwriting the result made no difference. We do it up on stage. Beautiful. Jamaica, no. We would do something like put B to A and can just set such, which just refers something that doesn't exist. If we get A, we're just gonna get time guiding man. Which line has no data besides white space? Yeah, that one. Check that our reference to nothing yields an empty text. The reference is still there. That's mighty useful, I think. Well, the whole code is maybe a mess right now. I have so many things to do. It's hard to know where I am, but at least this makes sense. This is interesting. I would just do wipe, and then we can just do put full one, so we can do count. I want to use a bit of a better users one year. Let's just make it like this, right? Why not? And then we just we could do it in the same one, right? Why not? Why the hell not? We can do indirect we add you, yeah, I've said indirect to add users at counter. This is a nice one. And I expect here it to be counter 1 indirect equals yip this is a nice example. Was at foo? It was at counter, yeah. And then of course the list. Yeah. Maybe I should make it like previous line. Maybe I should basically take the previous line and print it. So I don't know what the previous line is. would be what cell to text last path. Yeah, but that's just tricky. Okay, so let's just interesting. See how I have the same error twice? Dun, 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 dun. Because this is in the case that we don't get anything. After uses one yip. Yeah, this is a bit tricky with the spaces. Well, that's why I want to have an editor, right? What I want to put? So what the hell is going on here now? Why didn't I get anything when I'm getting everything? Because I have to do this silly. Okay, now it will work. Okay. Sans neolife. I need to call put. I need to put a tag here. That is a reference. Double references. A double reference to access to reference certain element of a list. So then I will just do something like it will be aqualong rate or great. This is like the same but with a hash, right? And then nice. And then when I get the whole thing, indirect, it's gonna be the same thing. Yeah, it's gonna be 100. It's gonna be at. It's gonna give me enough intuition to rewrite, so I'll respond. This is what I was needing. Let's set score equals grade. And then of course the score. Yeah, hash, right? Oh, this is starting to be annoying. Oops. Why is it that it's not passing? What did I break? It's not this. Oh yeah, forgot a scalpel there. Good. I'm gonna keep on doing this until I'm done with at least these ones, but not today. What? I'm not even counting the time. Oh, I still at 9 anyway. Okay, one more. It's a nice song. Is it this song? I don't know what song I want right now. I want this one. Well, maybe afterwards. One more. what I'm trying to do here. I need to wipe, right? Yeah. Okay, now yes. Yeah. I don't want to do full bar. I really don't. So let's just do. Let's do it, and then I'm just going to think of a variable, but I'm just too tired to do the substitutions after the before the fact. And I want yo is yip. And then if I do yip is at full, right? That's what you want to do here. Yeah. So yip will be an equal bar, which is at full, and yo would be equal, or was it, would be double equals exactly. This one will be equal at it's an interesting example actually. I'm lost. Equal at, and yo is just is it really like that? I don't think so. That makes no sense. This is starting to get really annoying. let's stop here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.